a potential tragedy that does end in a happy ending, and the results are in. Voters have selected the best cruise ship at sea. Are you going to agree or disagree with their selection? Chris here with High Seas Cruising, and welcome to today's video. 2 more days left. 2 here in 2025. And even though the year is coming to an end, the cruise news always continues. And we're going to start off today with what could have potentially been a terrible, terrible tragedy, but does conclude with a happy ending. Everybody's okay. Everybody's safe. No injuries. At least that's the absolute most important thing. So back on December 21st, Carnival Sunshine docks at Celebration Cay. Family gets off the cruise ship. A young child falls between the cruise ship and the dock. The mom sees it. The mom immediately jumps in to save her child. Crew members jump into action. They throw in some life rings. They get a ladder from the cruise ship, and they safely get both of them out of the water. So the story does have a happy ending. Now, I do want to say, though, and I want to make sure that everybody understands, this isn't to say that this mom did anything wrong. We all know if you've had small children, they can get excited. They can pull away from your hand. They can wander off, even if you look away for 1 second. So this isn't about, look what this mom did. I want to be clear about that. This is more of a look, especially if you're a new cruiser, this is something you need to be aware of, because when you dock at these cruise ports, the majority of these docks, they don't have railings. There's just a line that's drawn on the concrete that you're not supposed to pass, that if you get too close to the edge, there is a potential you could fall in. And this isn't the first time someone's gone past that line and fallen in, including adults who have just managed to somehow fall into the water. So yeah, if you're new to cruising, just be aware, especially if you're going with your children, or, you're prone to not necessarily pay attention to where you're walking. There's not going to be railings at the majority of the places you go to. There's only going to be a line. Pay attention to your surroundings and hopefully avoid any of these incidences going forward in the future. Now, while this was going on, there was a guest out on their balcony on board the Carnival Conquest, saw the incident, heard the screaming, and did shoot a short little video. Now, this video is going to pick up after the child has already fallen in and the mother has already fallen in. But a couple things I'd like you to pay attention to, because you're going to see the crew jump into action. You're going to see the crew doing the rescue, the crew successfully getting them out of the water. What I noticed more than anything else was the looky-loos. There are other passengers that security constantly has to push them out of the way, that are trying to cross this yellow line just to look and see what's going on. So had they not been paying attention, they also could have ended up in the water. If there's a tragedy or something going, don't try to get in the middle of the crew and basically be in the way while they are performing a rescue. But you'll see it in this video clip. I'll show it to you guys, and you'll see these individuals I'm talking about.
Did they get them? Blood. Hurts.
It needs to lay out the mimosas.
I don't know. Oh my God. They got officers coming off the boat now. Oh my God. Oh wow. Oh, there's a little kid. Sweet baby. Oh my God. Wow. Oh wow. Oh, you're safe. Oh my God.
So both mother and child safe, no injuries. Hopefully, because you know that had to have been a traumatic event. They were able to enjoy the rest of their cruise. Hopefully that just didn't totally, mess up the rest of their cruise. But best news, everybody's safe, everybody's able to go home, everybody's able to continue on, and that at the end of the day is the most important thing. And again, remember, just be careful when you're on these cruise docks because things can happen. And finally, the best cruise ship out there at sea. We just did a video where we talked about the favorite private cruise line destination. Coco Key took the win on that one. And this, of course, is in the 2025 Cruise Hive Awards. And Cruise Hive members, they are the ones that they vote on these, and this is how they get their results. Now, for the best cruise ship at sea, they did not give them simply a list of cruise ships to pick from. They asked that people write in the specific cruise ship that they wanted. And according to Cruise Hive, over 100 different cruise ships were turned in to be the best cruise ship at sea. And we're going to show you the top 10 cruise ships that were selected and see if you agree which one is number one. So number one with 4.8% of the votes was the MSC World America. In second place was Star of the Seas. Third place was the Norwegian Aqua. Fourth place was Icon of the Seas, followed by the Carnival Celebration, the Carnival Jubilee, the Mardi Gras, the Star Princess, Celebrity Beyond, and the Celebrity Ascent. Now, they began voting on this category in 2021, so this is the first time MSC has ever won Best Ship at Sea through this particular poll. The Mardi Gras won in 2021, 2022. Royal Caribbean's Wonder of the Seas won in 2023, and the Celebrity Beyond won in 2024. Now MSC World America takes it for 2025. Now, everybody out there that's been on multiple cruises probably has their favorite cruise ship. So my question to everybody is, your ship on this list? Are one of these ships your absolute favorite, or is yours a different one? Did yours just not make the top 10? Because a lot of these ships on this list, they're newer ships. They're not some of the older ships and fleets. And I do know that older ships do usually have quite a cult following, people that really love that particular ship. So I'm curious to see if everybody agrees or disagrees with this particular poll. And that is going to be our video for today. If you've enjoyed today's video, do me a favor and hit that like button. If you haven't done so yet, do me a favor and hit subscribe. It is free to do so. Helps our channel grow. Let you know anytime we put out a new video. Hope everyone out there is having a really great day. And like always, we will see you out on the high seas.